right, the tool we're going to talk about today is Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a tool where students are able to record themselves and upload it into a classroom or a group that they are in within the Flipgrid platform. So only people who have the code are able to actually get into all the videos that students have recorded. So in order to get into the platform, you want to go to info.flipgrid.com and you're going to enter the join code DeWitt Yellow. So once you're into here, this is our platform. Over here is a quick video kind of explaining what you are going to be uploading, what I will be looking for in your video. And then in order to actually record your video, all you have to do is over here, you have to click record a response. So once you click this, it'll pull up your recording screen and you will then be able to record and give me all the information on the Arctic animal that you have chosen. When you are done, you're going to be able to see down here, you will be able to see everybody else's video, and you will be able to comment, like, and anything else you would like to do on their videos.